reminds me of childhood.
Oh, shit. She slammed you, huh?
Go. Flat. It's so flat. $1,200 a week for voice lessons, and this is what I get? Okay, I'm gonna save it with the solo. Bow, bow, I'm Derek, and I can sing high.
There's really nothing to worry about, Mary. Statistically, they say you're more likely to get killed on the way to the airport.
Can we just go back to the bar, D?
And I can sing high.
I have this cousin.
Jesus!
Lloyd, could you keep your eyes on the road, please?
Can't be too careful. A lot of bad drivers out there.
This is dark.
Good sportsmanship, bro. Sorry. I'm allowed to do that.